Hi, I'm Bert Montoya, Customer Support Manager here at ELOKON. One of the most common questions that we get for warehouse managers is, how can we protect our pedestrians in blind spots where the drivers can't see them coming? That's because in warehouse safety, we need more than just awareness, we need foresight. And that's where ELOshieldAI makes a difference. This AI-powered camera system mounts directly on your vehicle and can detect pedestrians in real life without requiring them to wear a tag. As soon as someone enters the danger zone, the system reacts instantly, slowing down the vehicle's speed and alerting the driver with visible and audible alarms. That means that your system still works even if the pedestrian forgot their badge at home or is a third-party contractor that may not have access to your internal equipment. You hear that chime behind me? That's a real-world example of ELOshieldAI in action. Our vehicle has detected a colleague that walked around a blind corner and has alerted the driver. It's a powerful alternative to traditional tag-based systems, and for many of our customers, that flexibility is essential. In environments where batch logistics are complex or compliance is inconsistent, ELOshieldAI keeps working. At the same time, it integrates seamlessly with ELOshield. That means that you can still provide on-body alerts for your employees who do wear a badge, creating a two-way system that protects both the driver and the operator for both ends. It's a simple retrofit to existing trucks. It works in low light and glare, and it adds a level of intelligence that scales with your operation, not your badge inventory. Customers turn to ELOshieldAI when they need flexibility, precision, and results. It's especially powerful in dynamic environments where foot traffic is inconsistent and real-time visibility can make the difference between a near miss and a serious incident. By combining proven detection hardware with AI-powered image recognition, ELOshieldAI gives you a smarter way to protect your people without slowing down your operations. More visibility, faster reaction, safer facilities. That's ELOshieldAI.